Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 30, our final day of the September lockdown challenge, and to finish off the month I have another sunset flow for you. So go ahead and grab a spot on your mat. We're going to start standing tall here facing your mat. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, and exhale, drop the head down and the shoulders and roll down to your mat, keeping your legs long. Take a breath in at the bottom here, really let everything go. And exhale, roll up, restack your spine. Inhale at the top here, lengthening again. And exhale, roll forwards. Rolling down, folding over your thighs. Fingertips to the floor. Inhale at the bottom. And exhale, roll yourself all the way back up, standing tall. From here, inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Grab your left wrist, stretch a little higher. And then grab your right, stretch a little higher, opening your right side. And exhale, arms back down. Inhale, float the arms up in front of you as you sit your hips and knees back into a squat. Exhale, keep your legs as they are and scoop your hands down by your side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, scoop down. Reaching up, scooping down. Maintaining that hip and knee bend. Sitting into your thighs. Last two. Last one. Reach your arms up, hold your squat, and pulse here for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up tall, lower your arms by your side. And then widen your stance just slightly here, about shoulder distance. Roll your left shoulder back, inhale. Drop that left hand down your side and roll forwards, coming into a big body roll. Roll up through the middle. And repeat on the other side. Inhale, right shoulder back. Lengthen down your side. Come to middle, big roll. And then back to center. One more each side. Left shoulder back. Stretching down. Roll forwards and up through the middle. Other side, right shoulder rolls back. Stretch to your right. Roll forwards. And then restack your spine, standing tall. Make your way to the back of your mat, facing your mat this time. Inhale, stand tall, and exhale, roll down. All the way down, fingertips to the mat. And from here, make your way onto your hands and knees, finding your neutral spine. We're going to come into some shoulder blade isolations here. So push into your finger pads as you separate your shoulder blades, really rounding your upper back. Inhale, let the shoulder blades slide together as your chest drops to the floor. Exhale, round through your upper back as you push the floor away from you. Inhale, shoulder blades slide together, chest down. Exhale, round. Inhale, shoulder blades together. Exhale, push. Inhale, squeeze. Last one. Push and squeeze. And then finding your neutral spine here. Inhale, float the right knee out to the side. Hold here. Bring the knee slightly closer to your elbow. Scoop it down back to the middle. And then back, side, forwards, middle. Drawing some circles here with your hip. Really moving from the hip joint. Keeping that knee bent. Stable through your left side. And switch directions, going forward, side, back, down. Nice circles here in your hip. Really use your glute. Moving at your own pace. Last few. Now from here, lengthen your right leg long. Bend your right knee, bringing your heel towards your bottom, keeping your thigh high. And sweep the left hand behind you. See if you can grab hold of that right foot. pulling the right heel in towards your bottom, getting a nice stretch through your quad. Hold here just a moment more. And exhale, let it all go, hand and knee to the floor. Let's repeat on the other side. Engage through your arms. Bring your left leg out to the side, forwards towards your elbow, down to the middle, and then back through the middle. Side, forward, middle, back. Drawing some circles here. Again, moving at your own pace, making the circles as big or small as you feel comfortable to. Last couple on this side, and we'll switch directions. And drawing your circles the other way. Staying stable on that right leg. Keeping the right hip over your right knee. Trying not to collapse to your right. Last two. Lengthen the left leg long. Inhale, scoop your right hand back as you bend your left knee, grabbing hold of your left foot. Pull that left heel in towards your bottom as much as you can without dropping your thigh. Hold a bit more here. And then let everything go, hand and knee to the floor. Make your way onto your forearms and step your feet back into a forearm plank. Inhale, rock forwards. Exhale, rock back. Inhale, forwards. Exhale, back. Forwards, back. Just some gentle rocking here. Last 3, 2, 1. And then rock yourself back into a child's pose, lowering the knees to the mat. Hips to heels, arms reaching long. And then coming up to a seated position. Feet over onto your right side, knees drop to your left. Inhale, reach your left arm up and over, stretching over to your right side. Exhale, go over to your left side, forearm to floor, as you lift your right leg, extend it long. Inhale, right leg back in, left arm up and over. Exhale, left forearm down, lift your right leg. We'll do one more like this, stretching over to your right. And then coming down onto your forearm, reach your leg long. Bring your top arm in front of you to a nice tripod position, helping to stabilize here. Inhale, bend your right knee, bring it in towards your right elbow. Exhale, lengthen the leg away from you. Inhale, tap your elbow. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale in. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale in. Exhale, lengthen, keeping that stability through your pelvis as you bend and straighten your right leg. Last one. Hold the leg out here. Now bend your knee in towards your chest. Straighten the leg out in front of you, and then flex your foot, scoop that leg behind. Bend your knee, point your toes, extend the leg in front of you. Exhale, scoop that heel back. Inhale, cycle forwards. Exhale, pull back. Forwards. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scoop that foot back and place your right foot down on the mat with your right thigh touching the sole of your left foot. From here, prop yourself up onto that left hand. Scoop your right arm forward as you lift your hips up. Exhale, hips down, right arm back to your side. Again, inhale, scoop up, lift your hips. Exhale, down, one more. Scooping up, lift your hips, getting a nice stretch. And exhale, lower everything back down to the mat. Now switch your legs around, bringing your feet over to your left, knees over to your right. Inhale, reach the right arm up, stretching over towards your feet. Exhale, right forearm to floor, stretching over to your right, left leg lifts. Inhale, coming back up, stretch towards your feet. Exhale, coming onto your forearm, reach the left leg long. One more, stretching over to your left side. And then forearm to mat, lengthen through that left leg. Hold the leg lifted, bring your top arm in front of you, tripod position. Inhale, bring the knee in to tap your elbow. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Keep moving through here, trying to keep your leg at the level of your hip. Pelvis stable, keep pushing into that forearm, keeping space between your shoulder and your ear. Last couple. Last one. Bend the left knee in, extend the leg in front of you, then flex your foot, heel drives back. Point your toes, inhale, bend your knee, extend in front of you, drive that heel back, coming into some cycling here. Nice fluid movement of the leg, moving in the same plane here and trying not to move up or down. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the leg, bringing the left thigh in contact with the sole of your right foot. Prop yourself up onto your right hand. Inhale, scoop the left arm forwards as you lift your hips up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, left arm scoops up and over. Lift the hips. Exhale, back down. Last one. Inhale, lifting up. And exhale, back down. From here, go ahead and make your way onto your stomach. Finding a comfortable position with your legs reaching long, as wide as the mat. Bring your hands out to the sides, head lifted off the mat ever so slightly, coming into a tripod position with your hands, elbows slightly bent. Inhale, roll your body up, chest lifting off the mat. Exhale, ribs down, breastbone down, head drops. Inhale, lifting up, rolling your gaze up. Exhale, rolling back to the mat. 3 more, pushing into your hands, roll up. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 1 more. And coming back down. Keep your head hovering, interlace your fingers behind your back. Reach the fingers towards your toes as you lift the chest up. Just hovering off the mat here, stretching through your chest. And then lower everything back down. Place your hands under your shoulders. And then push yourself up onto hands and knees. Inhale, reach your right arm out to the side as you rotate towards the sky. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left. Hold here, shoulder to the mat. And then extend your left arm in front of you, getting a bigger stretch through that left side. Bring that left hand back in and push yourself back onto hands and knees. Inhale, left arm up to the left, rotating. Exhale, threading through. And then extend that right arm long, stretching a bit more through your right side. Bring your right hand back in and push yourself back up onto hands and knees. From here, walk your hands about 1 hand length forwards. Exhale, lift your knees off the mat, toes tucked under, and push yourself into a full plank. Inhale, rock slightly forwards. Exhale, rock back. Rock forwards, back, forwards, back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, see if you can step your feet up to your hands and then roll up to stand, 1 vertebra at a time, restacking your spine to stand tall. Inhale at the top and exhale, roll back down 1 vertebra at a time, coming all the way down to the mat, legs long. And from here, really drop your head. No straining through your neck. Head heavy, just shake your head yes. And then shake your head no. Exhale, roll back up to stand. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Grab a hold of your left wrist, stretching a little bit more to your left. Center, inhale, grab hold of your right, stretching more towards your left. And exhale, hands down. And you are all done. I hope you've enjoyed this September challenge. If you missed any of the days, you can find them all in my channel. As always, thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.